How to set an expiration date for your Flipbook link. Let's say you've just finished a call with a client. You want to send them your materials, but only keep the offer available until midnight. This is perfect for limited time offers, proposals, or time-sensitive deals. With Publuu, that's easy. You can set an expiration date for your Flipbook link in seconds. First, log into your account and open the Flipbook you want to share. Next, go to the Tracking Links section in your dashboard. Click Generate Link to create a new tracking link. A settings window will appear. Start by giving your link a name. This is required. You can use a client name, campaign name, or anything that helps you stay organized. Now, set the expiration date. Click Select a date and choose when the link should expire. Want it to stop working at midnight? Just click Select a time and set the exact hour. Want to get notified when someone opens the link, or if they haven't? No problem. Just select the notification option that works best for you. Once you're ready, copy the link and send it to your client. After the expiration date passes, the link will automatically stop working. Anyone who tries to open it will see a message that the content is no longer available. And if you need to make changes later, you can, while keeping the same link. Just go back to the link settings and update the expiration date anytime. And that's it. This is how you can control access to your files with Publuu. Explore more. Discover what's possible with Publuu.